Good morning, cryptocurrency traders. So let's have a look at Bitcoin this morning. So one thing that is concerning me at the moment is we are pretty much got nothing on for the weekly at the moment. So this weekly bar is worse than last week's bar, really. So there's really nothing going on at the moment, which is a little bit concerning. Okay. Sorry guys, you can see I'm using investing.com. It's just got a lot more data than what IG has for the crypto. So it's just, for me, it's better to do chart analysis off here. Okay, so the weekly is nothing really to write home about. We are breaking through the cloud here, which is concerning. Okay, it is a little bit concerning, but I still think we do have a base of sorts that is forming. Let's just get to the daily, and we can just start looking at exactly what's going on here. So from the daily perspective, you can see also a very different picture to what IG paints. And what I've realized is that IG, being a market maker, it's almost like they hunt your stop losses all the time. So they have slightly different data on the charts, which is frustrating. Anyway, that is the trend line that we've broke and we kind of retested. Okay. I just want to zoom this in a bit, move it more centered. And we are now pretty much going sideways. Okay. There is this level that I'm still concerned about. And I just want a horizontal line. And maybe we can get a horizontal line. So we still have this level that I'm concerned about. Okay, but we're going to get down onto lower time frames to see if we can see anything in here. We're still inside Dickinson, this blue line, which is still relatively bullish. I won't say it's extremely bullish, but it does give an indication that we are ranging, and we should be ranging to the top of Dickinson. So we should just be sort of hovering inside this zone like this. And to me, that's kind of a consolidation pattern. But what could very well be forming here is a consolidation for this move to the downside. Okay. Let's just drill down a little bit further into the 4 hour. Hopefully we can see something that's going to stand out for us here. And okay, so we have had a bullish crossover of Dickinson and Kijinson, and Tikospan is in the cloud. We'd like to see this through the cloud and through price. So this brown line here, if we get that a breakthrough here, we've got some bullish indications coming through. We have had sort of a cup and handle here, breakout, and we could be retesting that at the moment. So I'm still bullish. We're going to have to break below kind of this level here for me to start changing my tune. So for now, it's still a consolidation phase, and it's a consolidation after a strong move down. So obviously it's going to take a while to get moving, but for now I still believe that we have some upside to come. Now what we're looking for is essentially, we're looking for a break above that level there for us to continue. Okay. Alternatively, if this trend line that we have here, just put that in, it comes all the way back here. Okay. Well, I think we can actually just take this trend line here. So if we break here where we are now, then what you can expect is us to come into the cloud, and then you've got two levels. You've got Kijinson to hold up price, and then you've got the cloud itself. Okay. So that is still a possibility that we pull back to kind of this 7412, 7410 area before we consolidate again to move to the upside. Okay, a break above 7760 is going to be pretty bullish. It'll give us a breakout, which will give us some movement to the top, and then the next target is going to be the 200 EMA, which is this purple line here. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. I think we're still consolidating. Hopefully, by the looks of things, it's consolidating to the upside. A break below this low here we have here is the only thing that is going to negate that theory. Okay, we do have a head and shoulders. There's a shoulder, head, shoulder here, which has been played, but it's very visible, so a lot of traders playing it. So you might find some people trying to ambush the guys that are long here. So I think that's Bitcoin. I think let's just get to Ether quickly. Okay, so Ether from a weekly perspective is, you can see we've got a nice pin bar here. Okay, and you can see our investing.com even gives you a little marker on it, but this pin bar here on the weekly, especially on the weekly, is a pretty bullish signal. If this weekly closes above it, that confirms that pattern for me, and then it's a case of we're going to be moving from here down and back up again. Okay, so we've moved to the downside. Now we're looking for a move to the upside. Okay, so that's kind of what I'll be watching on the weekly. We're looking for a close above this level here. So what we can do is let's just zoom in quickly so we can see it, and then let's just put a line on it so we've got that trend line. Okay, so that's what we want. So let's get down to daily. Okay, so we're on this trend line at the moment. Okay, so we really want to see us break to the upside. Now you can see how the last couple of days it's just been inside bar, inside bar, inside bar. Now, it's kind of a nowhere pattern. So everything about what you see here is sideways ranging. Okay, it's almost like a flat line. So what you see is we're in between Kijinsen and Tikinsen on the daily, and we're also just trading in pretty much inside these two bars here. So you see we're trading inside this green bar here. So we're ranging inside here, and that's all we're basically doing. And the other thing that we have is a 200 EMA is right here. Okay, so in simple terms, a break below the Tikinsen here will be pretty bearish, but we're going to need to break below this level here for me to be bearish. Okay, so a break above here is going to be bullish, so we'll be above the 200 EMA. Now, if we just get down to the 4 hour, you can see how flatlining we are. Okay, so now you see on the 4 hour, we have had, I've got to zoom in quite a bit here for us to actually see what's going on. Okay, there we go. Right, so we've had a bullish crossover of Tikinsen and Kijinsen. So Kijinsen's our red line and our blue line. We want to see blue above red, okay, for bullish price action. So there it is, we've got it. So what we would expect now, we've got a green cloud. Chicospan did break through price and it broke through the cloud, but now it's broken into price again. So we need this brown line, which is Chicospan, to break through price. That's the only thing that's outstanding right now. If we can get that breakthrough price, then you have a pretty bullish ichimoku setup. And then the next level is obviously to start breaking some of these fractional levels. So if you are long, I would still be holding long. I wouldn't be too concerned just yet. Maybe having a stop loss below the swing low here. Okay, but ideally what I'm looking for is a break of the closest fractional. So not so much this fractional, but more this fractional here. So I'm looking for a breakout above 620. Well, 620 will be the 200 moving average, so That's pretty much what we're looking for. We're looking for a breakup 617, 620. So if we can get a breakout above this area, then we'll have this bullish pattern will be validated and it'll play out. Okay, so all we're waiting for is Chico span. If you keep an eye on Chico span on the 4 hour, if it does break through price, okay, and we still have a crossover, then you have a pretty bullish setup, and then it's long and strong. But anyway, so that's the cryptos for this morning. I hope it helps, and I'll catch up with you guys on Monday again. Enjoy the day, and if you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and drop us a comment. I'd love to engage with you guys. Many brains make light work of these charts. Anyway, enjoy the day. Catch you guys later. Cheers, man.